Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account details and the platform you bought Minecraft from. This matters because transaction ID live in the platform's records. Once you have your email and approximate purchase date, sign into that store account and open order history or receipts. Make sure to check linked email inboxes for order confirmations. Those often include partial ID. If you used a gift code or retailer, gather the receipt and transaction reference before proceeding to the store's support or payment history. Now search within the chosen store. Filter orders by date and merchant name to narrow results quickly. Once you locate the Minecraft purchase, open the full order details. The transaction ID may be labeled Order ID, Transaction ID, or Reference Number, depending on the provider. Copy the full string exactly and capture the payment method and amount for verification. If the ID is truncated, choose the Export or Print Invoice option. This often shows the complete transaction reference you need for finish by verifying the copied transaction ID against your bank or payment service. Then include it with your support request to Minecraft or the platform. If you can't find an ID, search bank or PayPal statements for the charge description and date. Those details let support trace the payment. If still unresolved, ask the store to generate an invoice or run a payment trace. Make sure to provide exact timestamps and screenshots. One troubleshooting tip: clear search filters and check alternate linked emails before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.